Hello.
Okay, welcome to our Unit 3 oral test. Number 1, point to the computer. Okay, number 2, how many notebooks?
2 notebooks.
Very good. Number 3, how many markers?
1 marker.
Okay, good job. Number 4, what is this?
Computer.
What is this?
Computer.
Yes, sentence. What is this? It's
This computer.
one more time. What is this?
What is this computer?
No, you will answer me sentence.
It is computer.
It is
one computer.
It is a computer. Okay? It is a computer because one become. Okay? Now number 5. What are these?
Ne demek?
What are these? Bir tane this. So many. 2, 3, 4 çok.
Çoğaltı.
What are these?
3 cell phone.
Cell phone. Okay, you will answer me. They are
Cell phone.
cell phones. Because 3 each time.
3
cell phones.
3
Okay,
cell
one more
phones.
time.
They are cell phones.
Very good. Okay, now can you read this one? 1, 2, 3, go.
Talent kids from around the world.
Yes, very good.
David Alvarez is from Canada. He is 15 and he is a dancer. He is an actor too. David is in the musical Billy Elliot on Broadway in New York. Kieran Williams is 8. He is from England. He is England.
Okay.
He is a painter. Kieran is a very good artist. Adora Sweet is from the USA. She is a writer and a teacher. She is 11. Adora's books are very good. Jordan Connor is from the USA. He's 10. He's a great basketball player. He's on a team.
Very good. Thank you. Good job.
Goodbye.